Hey guys, what's up? Today I am at CP, literally the biggest hangout place where Gen Z hang out. But behind all the fun, reels, and social life, there's something we don't talk about. That is mental health. So today I am going to talk to people, real Gen Z, and ask them what actually feels like about it, and also introduce something I'm working on, Breathe, a mental health initiative. Can you guys tell me your name?
Anvi, Aditi, Diksha, Akanksha.
So today I want to ask some mental health questions from you guys, and actually I have also started a startup and working on that. So I'll ask some perspective regarding that. So first question is, do you think mental health is taken seriously among Gen Z, or is it still ignored?
Yes, it's yes, we are taking it seriously because people are facing such kind of issues like as our daily schedule is so busy. So I think we are taking it seriously.
Nice. Okay. Have you personally ever felt stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed because of studies, social media, or life in general?
Yes, this is very true. We are very stressed due to this. And
Due to your daily life.
yeah, exactly.
Can you describe it more?
Can't have much about more, but yeah, sometimes we felt very like anxious and depressed and like many more things because of pressure of social media and all. Like everything like सबने standard set कर दिया like you
Yes.
have to mark that standard but real or real they are very different.
Yeah, you're right.
So because of that, but yeah, it is what it is, so let it be.
Okay, fine, thank you. And my third question is, when you feel low, what do you usually do? Do you talk to someone or just deal with it alone?
Usually don't talk to someone, deal with alone, but for sometimes we need someone so that we can talk and describe about what person like how to deal the single person to
Yeah, maybe
usually
you talk to your parents or your friends, or you hang out like here.
Yes, I love talking when I am feeling low. So I share my problem with somebody else who listen to me. Exactly.
That's a good insight. My fourth question is, actually I am also starting a startup regarding that. I wanted to build an app regarding that, and I wanted to have one-on-one therapy sessions. You can talk to professionals. So I wanted to ask some questions. Have you ever tried a mental health app or any digital platform for therapy or self-help?
Yes, I did. I use AstroTalk app when I was suffering through my breakup zone. Then I tried.
How was the experience?
That was nice. I had someone to whom I can share my problem who cannot describe, like who will not
Actually understand that,
exactly.
and they understand.
That was some unknown person, na, so I shared my problem without any hesitation.
That's a great insight. Thank you so much. And my last question for you guys. I am actually working on a startup called Breathe, and it's focused on Gen Z mental health with one-on-one support and a very relatable space vibe, just as you said. Would you use something like that, or why not? Or would you like to add something which that app should have, as you guys want?
That will be great if we can get a personal counselor very easily, someone to get approached like directly. That will be good. In this kind of generation जो चीजें देखी गई हैं कि we are more comfortable with strangers rather than the
And our parents or below.
exactly, so
Because they won't judge.
yeah, exactly, so that's a great startup, so go for that. We will use for sure. All the best.
It's me, Suman.
My name is Gaurav Singh.
So I wanted to ask some questions. I wanted your perspective related to mental health among Gen Z. So my first question is, do you think mental health is taken seriously among Gen Z, or it's still ignored?
No, I feel that our generation is taking mental health seriously. Like, it was a taboo back then कि mental health बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा issue है. For example, if somebody is having physical issues, they go to a doctor.
Yes.
But nowadays mental health is actually taken seriously because there are so many people जो therapy ले रहे हैं, जो डॉक्टर के पास actually जा रहे हैं. It's no more a taboo. But I feel this is what I feel, that our generation is it is leading in this space.
Yes, the Gen Z is now. I agree with her.
Yes.
That they are enjoying.
अब उनका टैबू नहीं रहा, टैबू नहीं. Okay, fine, thank you.
It's on camera.
It's okay, no problem. Have you personally felt stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed because of studies, social media, life in general?
Not as much, but I feel that I'm not the right person to comment on this because I have personally never felt like this.
Okay.
But yeah, during results and during exams, I do feel conscious and I do feel anxious sometimes.
Okay, such a real answer. When you feel low, what do you usually do? Do you like to talk to someone or just be alone?
I feel that I'm a very big yapper and he's my listener. Okay, so always whenever I feel a little bit stressed
We-
or कभी
We
भी
talk to each other and
You feel right.
Yes.
Okay, nice. That's cute. And the next question is related to my startup called Breathe. It's an initiative where I bring people, like professionals, like psychologists, psychiatrists, professionals to the people who are not feeling good. A one-on-one professional journey. So I want to ask, have you ever tried a mental health app or any digital platform for therapy or self-help?
No, for as such now I have never tried it.
Okay, it's okay. It's a nice insight. So, what I want to ask, would you use something like that, or why not? Or do you want to add something to that app that you would prefer?
I feel that you are doing a great job and this initiative is really, really very big and I'm so proud of you, to be very honest. As a girl to girl, I'm saying this, I'm very proud of you. And yes, in future, if I feel that, I'll definitely use the app or if I'll definitely go to, seek the actual solution. But as of now, I'm not looking into it and I feel that it is a great initiative and all the people who are actually willing to seek therapy, they should, they can use that.
Thank you so much. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Rahul.
So Rahul, it's great to meet you here. So I wanted to ask some questions from you. Actually, I'm on a college project regarding mental health among Gen Z. So it doesn't. I can ask anything from you, right? So you are down for that.
Yeah.
So my first question is, do you think mental health is taken seriously among Gen Z, or is it still ignored? Okay. Do you think mental health is taken seriously among Gen Z, or is it still ignored?
I think it's being ignored by Gen Zs. I think, yeah, because they're talking about they're so they talk a lot about mental health, but they don't care about mental health. Like they don't work upon mental health.
Okay, they just talk about
They
that
talk
in
about
social
it,
media.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Have you ever personally felt stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed because of studies, social media, or life in journal?
No, I don't think so. I've ever felt any anxious. Yeah,
Or stressed?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a good take. When you feel low, what do you usually do? Do you talk to someone or just deal with it? As you never felt it, like a friend's experience or something?
Whenever I feel low, I used to talk with my friends, like a group friends, and we just having fun with we crack a lot of jokes. And I used to do journaling also, so that
Okay, nice.
makes me, so that's
Okay, nice. My next question is related to that. Actually, I am going to start a startup called Breathe, where I actually want people for one-on-one connections with psychologists, where they connect with psychologists about their mental health.
Okay.
So my next question is: have you ever tried a mental health app or a digital platform for therapy or self-help?
yeah, I think that would be a great initiative, and I think with connecting with a psychologist on a platform like that would be a great help. Yeah, so I think that would be a great thing. Yeah.
Okay, and that app also has journaling in that. So I'm going to add that. That's what
So
you like.
That's very nice. That's very nice. Yeah, that's very nice.
Okay, my fifth question is I am starting a initiative called Breathe. Would you use something like that, or why not? Or do you want to add something which I be adding to Breathe?
Actually, I'm quite old school kind of person. I like pen. I like book. I don't like that technology. I don't like tablets and all. I'm a kind of person who use books and notebooks where I can write with my own hand. So
That's a good insight. I understand that. That's why I was asking that. What they would with that the customer wants a digital thing or a written thing.
exactly.
Okay.
I'm not a digital person. Yeah, personally. Yeah.
Thank you so much for the interview. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Lakshita.
So today I'm actually going to people and asking about mental health. It's my college project. So my first question is, do you think mental health is taken seriously among Gen Z, or it's still ignored?
आई तो थिंक कि यार जेनजी आर टेकिंग इट वेरी पॉजिटिवली वो ये नहीं सोच रहे हैं कि यार हमें कोई जज करेगा या फिर हम बताएंगे तो लोग हमें कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोलेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। पहले के टाइम के लोग होते थे ऐसे, पर आज भी पुराने वाले लोग ऐसे ही हैं। वो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि यार मेंटल हेल्थ ऐसा तो कुछ होता नहीं है। अगर हम इवन उन्हें शेयर भी करें कि ऐसा कुछ है तो वो सोचते हैं कि तुम्हारा तो कुछ नहीं है, तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या ही स्ट्रगल है, क्या ही स्ट्रेस है तुम लोगों को जो ऐसे सब बोल रहे हो। तो बट जेन जी इस चीज में मुझे लगता है बहुत सही है, वो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। मेन बात ये है।
Yes, you were right. So have you ever personally felt stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed because of studies, social media, or life in journal?
एवरी डे आई फील ओवरवेल्म्ड क्योंकि हम देखते हैं लोगों का जब लाइफस्टाइल हमसे ज़्यादा बेटर होता है, कोई हमसे ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहा होता है। और आजकल तो सोशल मीडिया में हम जानते हैं सब लोग अपनी लाइफ ज़्यादा दिखाते हैं, ब्लॉग करते हैं, शो ऑफ थोड़ा ज़्यादा करते हैं। तो एक हाँ एक इंफीरियर कॉम्प्लेक्स आ ही जाता है कि यार ये हमसे अच्छा कर रहा है, सो व्हाई नॉट अस। ये चीज होती है।
Yeah, right inside. When you feel low, what do you usually do? Do you talk to someone or deal with it alone?
आई जस्ट क्राई, और मैं बहुत शांत हो जाती हूँ उस टाइम पे। मैं किसी से बात करना पसंद नहीं करती, बस रोना पसंद करती हूँ, और वो भी किसी को दिखाकर रोना पसंद नहीं करती, खुद के साथ ही मैं रोना पसंद करती हूँ। और जब वो जितना रोना है रो लिया, उसके बाद आराम से कुछ अच्छा खा लिया या कुछ अच्छा म्यूजिक सुन लिया, और उसके बाद जाके जो अपने लोग हैं उनको टाइटली एक हग कर ली, बस उनको भी नहीं बताया कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, बस बात खत्म। यही।
Okay, you like to be in yourself. Okay, my fourth question is related to my startup called Breathe. It's my initiative related to mental health, and I wanted people who are suffering to meet personalized trainers. So I wanted some insights from you. So have you ever tried a mental health app or any digital platform for therapy or a self-help?
नहीं, आई हैवंट ट्राइड समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट हाँ अगर कुछ ऐसा होता है जो हेल्प करे मुझे हील करने में, तो हाँ ठीक है, व्हाई नॉट।
Okay, so would you use something like that, or why not? Or do you want to add something which I am building to it?
सॉरी।
Do you want to add something to my initiative? Like, do you want journaling, something different, like Gen Z type? Do you want to add something like
हाँ, यू कैन ऐड जर्नलिंग, जिसमें आप अपनी फीलिंग्स शेयर कर सको। कोई आजकल तो चैट जीपीटी भी आ गया है, लोग जेन जी स्पेशली अपनी फीलिंग्स वही शेयर कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ अगर उसके अंदर भी होता है तो
AI interventions?
हाँ एआई का यूज आई थिंक होना चाहिए।
But do you think AI is better, or humans actually want humans to talk to?
आज के टाइम पे एआई सब कुछ ही कर रहे हैं, तो डॉक्टर की जरूरत नहीं है, बट हाँ कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है ना जो डॉक्टर ही कर सकता है, एआई भी हर चीज नहीं संभाल सकता, और एआई थोड़ा आगे जाके डेंजर भी हो सकता है। हम अपनी सारी फीलिंग्स ही शेयर कर रहे हैं, तो हाँ ठीक है।
Okay, thank you so much. Hello, what's your name?
हाय, माई सेल्फ निशु चौधरी।
So actually I want to tell you that I am doing a college project related to mental health among Gen Z. So I wanted to ask 5 questions from you. So my first question is, do you think mental health is taken seriously among Gen Z, or is it still ignored?
But Gen Z's mental health is taken very seriously, but elderly people still ignore it very.
Okay, right, you're right. So second question, have you personally felt stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed because of studies, social media, or life in general?
Actually, very much. I feel very overwhelmed because of this. Overfeels everything. And
Nice. So when you feel low, what do you usually do? Do you talk to someone or just be alone?
I just talk to my best friend. He just,
Maybe your family?
yeah, even family members also help.
Okay, the friend, that's the way. Okay, so I want to tell you that I am also starting a startup related to mental health regarding Gen Z, only Gen Z. So I wanted to have some insights from you. So have you ever tried a mental health app or any digital platform for therapy or self-help?
No, never.
Okay, nice. Got it. A new insight. And I wanted to ask, would you use something like that, or why not? Like, I am opening a Breathe platform, a digital platform for Gen Z for one-on-one support and a very relatable and space vibe for Gen Z, where personalized insights and psychologists come for theraping and telling insights for Gen Z. Would you use that?
Surely, I'll definitely use that. It's a very nice idea startup which you are coming up with. It will be really helpful for all the Gen Zs and other people.
Okay, nice. Do you want to say something to me or something to my project?
Yeah, you are doing a very good job. Keep doing it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for a wonderful interview.